Do you wake up tired, even after sleeping? Struggling to breathe clearly or feeling heavy in your chest? This is a wake-up call. Your lungs may be overloaded with toxins from food, smoke, or polluted air. Here's how to naturally detox your lungs and breathe freely again. 1. Steam inhalation. Use eucalyptus or mint leaves. Just inhale deeply over hot water. It clears mucus and opens your airways. 2. Moringa tea. Drink daily. Moringa is a strong anti-inflammatory. It helps repair damaged lung tissue. 3. Ginger and turmeric mix. These herbs reduce inflammation. Mix with warm water and drink every morning. 4. Breath training. Start with deep, slow breaths every morning for 10 minutes. It strengthens lung capacity and reduces anxiety. 5. Avoid cold and dairy. These can increase mucus production and slow down healing. And finally, get sunlight every day. Vitamin D plays a hidden role in repairing your lungs and boosting immunity. No need for expensive medication, just nature, knowledge, and discipline. Do you forget things easily, feel foggy, or lack mental focus? Your brain might be toxic and inflamed from the inside. Modern food, stress, and digital overload are silently damaging your mind. Here's how to naturally detox your brain and boost mental clarity. 1. Hydrate deeply. Dehydration shrinks brain tissue. Start your day with 1 glass of clean water plus a pinch of sea salt. 2. Cut artificial sweeteners and processed oils. These confuse your nervous system and block clarity. 3. Add turmeric and black pepper. This duo crosses the blood-brain barrier and reduces inflammation. 4. Cold showers. Shock your nervous system into clarity. Start with 30 seconds and build up. 5. Deep breathing. For 7-8 method, oxygen is brain fuel. Calm your mind instantly. 6. Silence plus sunlight every morning. 5 minutes outside. No phone. No noise. It resets your nervous system. Clear brain equals clear choices equals better life. Start today.